guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. So today we've got a slipper review and unboxing of the UGG FLUFF IT. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at these really plush, really comfortable slippers. Got there in the end. And then from UGG, this is our first UGG review. If you want us to do the classic short boots, I'd love to review those. Won't be able to do it unless we get some feedback from you guys. So if you want to see us do some UGG boots, let us know in the comment section below. So drop some love. But today we've got to look at these men's FLUFF IT slippers, and we got this in the metal grey or grey colorway. We've got these in the UK size men's 8, it's European 42, and it's a men's size US 9. And here it is. I mean, when you think of UGG, you think sheepskin, comfortable. I mean, when it comes to the UGG boots, you do think of, there is a type of girl that wears it. But when it comes to their homeware, this is it. This is what you need. Those are essentials. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an EVA outsole using UGG's Tread Light here with the traction padding. Essentially, guys, this is meant for the indoor use. I mean, it looks so much homely when we look at the upper as well. The midsole is still the same EVA materials. It's exposed, easy to get your feet in and out. Like a lot of UGGs, you've got the sheepskin insole for the comfortability and warmth for the underside of your feet. Moving along to the upper, where the insole is sheepskin, this upper is all wool. Well, it's a wool blend. There's some other polyesters in here. And you look at this adjustable strap with the UGG logos, so you can just fit to your specifications, to how you like it. You've got the UGG logo as well all around. UGG logo found here, and that rounds it off. Guys, this is probably one of the most essential slippers you need. You look at this, it screams UGG, it screams comfort, it screams warmth, and that's what you need in your house slippers. This is really hot, I guess, but that rounds it off. I really can't wait to try these on. These are, I know, are going to be really comfortable and really warm. So here we are in the middle of December at the time of this recording, so this is a must. So roll out footage of me trying these on. When it comes to your fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. I am a European 42, which is a UK size 8. Me and Jeff were talking just before we tried these on. I mean, whilst we were trying these on. I was trying it on. And we both agree, maybe it's because we've been wearing Crocs for a bit too long, but this isn't it. Why? So I really thought that the insole, with it being a sheepskin, I thought it would be very comfortable. Feels very sturdy, quite stiff. Whereas Crocs and other sandals that we've done in the past, like the Birkenstocks that will mold to the underside of your feet, they were more comfy, I would say, for the underside of your feet. This, as I mentioned, feels a bit too stiff. for the underside of my foot, just where my heel is. Now, with that all said, I can understand that it will keep the top of my feet really warm with the wool, but maybe it's because we've been wearing Crocs for too long. Don't know. Personally, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. Never lie to you guys here. I prefer Crocs. Sorry to you UGG heads. Maybe we need to try the boots. We'll see. So again, if you guys want to see us to review other pairs of Uggs boots specifically, let us know in the comment section below. Personally, I'm really disappointed in this, but that's just my own opinion. If you want to get some Uggs, go get some Uggs. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on Instagram. Until next time, peace.